it's all good.
Right now.
Yeah, buddy.
Single 320 on it.
Holding up most is good in there, man.
Oh yeah, it does very well.
Awesome, man.
Pulling the J and got one in rotation. Slow one with me. Say you won't hit it. Give me a minute. I'm about to go split it.
Nice. What's going on, man?
Not much. Enjoying this slam.
What you got going on here?
6 gold V115s.
Gold V1.
In a folded.
Folded.
Folded wall.
That's 6 order there.
No, it's technically a folded wall.
See, I keep messing up on that.
Technically,
man.
this is a new design to me. It worked out really well though in my favor.
Okay. So how does that compare to a 6 order?
This used to be a 6 with 318s, but I kept having loading issues.
Okay, all right. So really it's just ported, not really a 6.
Yep.
Gotcha.
It kind of acts it due to the top shell portion, but it's spec'd out like a normal wall.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Cool, man.
Instead of how 6 orders have smaller rear ports for cone control.
Yeah. And what's the amps in the back?
I'm off one Crescendo 8K at 1.6.
Okay. All
For
right.
now.
And you did numbers in here before?
I did a 55 and 36.
Awesome, man.
Clamping
Awesome.
880 per.
Oh, awesome.
Mama, yeah, look at me now. Mama, look at you.
It's impressive for the power I'm running.
Yeah, for real. Golly. And what alternator you got on there?
Single 320.
Okay,
on
man.
a 144 amp hour big bank.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Hey, this sucker's hitting, man.
It pleases me.
What do you mean by that?
Woo! We're gonna up the power eventually as soon as I grab plats.
Gotcha.
Our end goal is 6 plats on 3 of those 8Ks.
Okay.
Oh, come on. It's not giving me good songs today. I don't know.
I was at somebody's ride yesterday. They had there's a sub above the plats. I think, what was it called? I forget what it was called. Anyways, I was like, huh? I didn't know that one. I thought the platinum was the main one.
The teams are the bigger ones.
Yeah.
But the plats are.
But it was in between the team and above the plats.
Onyx.
Onyx, that's it. Yeah. I never even seen that.
Yeah, those are their 4-inch coil ones.
Okay.
Here we go. I think this one will do. My radio is running slow today.
All good.
She's
Like that
old.
box, man. It's nice.
Yeah, had to have that one. There we go.
Making beats for the streets and ladies screaming in that CashApp. Yeah, oh baby, hit 'em.
Close to the red line. White coat.
What up, boy? What's happening, man?
Shit.
Plenty of bandwidth in this thing, man.
This is a nasty one, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
plays
Super nasty.
mid-20s all the way up to mid-50s.
That's what's up, man. I like that one, man. Tell us your name.
Joey Collier
Joey.
with Heritage Kurtz.
Poppa T, man.
Yeah,
nice to
thank
meet you. Hey, make sure you get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.